guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing lateral raises. When we do these, we want to start with our feet directly under our hips, and we're going to have our torso, our abs, our legs engaged, okay? We are going to take 2 dumbbells, and we are going to bring them straight out away from our body until our arm is parallel to the ground. This is kind of challenging. So there's a couple different variations that we can do. We can do simultaneous. We can do just one arm, like if you only have 1 dumbbell and the right weight. We can do alternating arms, or we can do like the really challenging movement where we bring them both out at the same time. One comes out and up and down, another one comes up and down too. Those are really hard. I should probably get lower weights for that. Anyway, so if you want to work your delts and your upper body and get super strong, then sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.